Looking to add some updated family pictures to your walls this fall? Here's some tips we know you're going to appreciate and find a value. I'm Gina Walton with the Walton home team of Keller Williams, and we love working with Amber for all of our photography and video needs. Here's a few tips and tricks she has with her business, Amber Dawkins Photography.
Hi, my name is Amber with Amber Dawkins Photography, and I'm here to talk to you about fall portraits. It's October and the leaves will be changing soon, the weather's gorgeous, and this is the time families want to get out there and update their family photos or possibly get new pictures for Christmas cards. We're going to talk about wardrobe, location, and what to expect at the session. For wardrobe, I like to tell my families to pick 2 base colors and an accent color and pull those colors throughout the whole group. We don't want to be all in the same color looking too matchy-matchy. You want that contrast for interest. So in this example, the base colors are navy and cranberry, and the accent is mustard yellow. Get creative with how you pull those colors in. Think about pulling them in through leggings, a scarf, layers, through patterns or jewelry or even a little girl's headband. Don't be afraid to include some prints. Mix it with some solids though so it's not too busy. And moms, pick your outfit first. Pick something that you feel comfortable in, that you feel beautiful in, and build the rest of the family's color scheme around it. For location, if you are wanting that beautiful fall foliage, there are so many gorgeous places to shoot in the Kansas City area. Some of my favorites are Antioch Park, Shawnee Mission Park, and Luce Park. And if you're wanting more of an urban feel, I love West Bottoms, I love the Prairie Fire Museum, and I love downtown Paola. Talking about the actual session, a lot of families with kids get a little stressed out about photos. They think that their kids aren't going to sit still or look at the camera or smile. Let that stress go. This is supposed to be fun. This is going to be a memory that you guys are actually going to enjoy. When I work with my clients, I am always interacting with kids. We are moving, we are laughing, we are being silly. And through that process, I'm capturing a lot of candid looks, those facial expressions that your kid makes that you know is just them. We want to catch that. This is not a posed 1900s portrait, okay? We want to capture real life and we want to capture the love and the interaction that you guys have with each other. So let your photographer interact. Don't be afraid of a little bit of silliness. I promise we will get good smiles along the way.